welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I have bought a ring light, as you know from the caption already. I ordered a ring light for my YouTube setup just to add some more light to my videos because I was struggling from lack of light source. So I ordered it from Amazon. The box has come, it's so damn huge, and also along with that I ordered the ring light stand which also came from Amazon on the same day. So I'm just going to unbox these things in front of you guys and give you a mini review, as well as I will set this up in front of you guys. Even I do not have any idea like how to do it because I haven't opened this package yet. So let's figure out together. So let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, please hit that red subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. As you guys can see, I got this huge ass packet. So first I'm going to unbox the stand and see how it is. I'm not sure if there is any damage. It's too damn heavy to lift. So as you can see, I received it in this cardboard box, and I'm going to, it's already kind of damaged. I feel it's already open, not sure how it is gonna be. So this is how the item looks like. So this stand is from the shop called Shopee. As you can see, it's called Shopee SP250. I'll give the link of all the products down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that. This part looks damaged. It has come out, the screw has come out. I'm going to try and fix this. The legs of the stand is damaged. I have placed an replacement order right now. So the replacement, how they do is they will pick up your product when they are delivering your replacement product. It has two clips over here, one over here and one I've already opened. So by opening just one clip, this has come above my height, and if you open the other clip, okay, it's almost maybe 7 foot in the height. But I think this thing will be enough. It has spring suspenders, so when you're trying to unlock this thing, it doesn't fall right down that fast and doesn't hurt or break. So that's a good thing in this stand. Called Digitek. It's the LED 18-inch ring light which I ordered. As you can see, this is a model number, and yeah, let's unbox this. This is how it comes in a bag like this, which is nice. And when you open the bag, when you open the bag, you get the ring light. So this is how the ring light looks. It's very nice, guys. So the first impression is it's made up of plastic, but it's a very sturdy plastic thing. This is how it looks at the back side. From the back side, it has a branding over here. So let's mount this in the stand. comes with the cable or an adapter like this. So I'm going to fix this behind. So guys, this is how the stand looks like. The problem is over here. As you can see, the screw, let me zoom in. The screw has come out of this. When you compare the other things, it has come out. So that is a problem with the stand. They are ready to replace it. As I already told you, I have applied for the replacement. I have extension clips over here. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So this stand can go more like up to 7 feet. So that's a great height, guys. So on the top of the stand, I have attached my ring light. So let's get into the specifications of the ring light. We have an on-off switch, and this is the adapter part. And here we have the buttons for controlling the light. So let me switch on this ring light for you. So this is the ring light. The coolest part is it has the color adjusting knob and also the intensity knob over here. So the color adjusting knob, as you can see, you can you can make it warm, or you can also make it cool. And also the intensity can be increased. So this is the max intensity and it looks amazing. Hi guys, so this is the amount of light I'm getting from the window like opposite to me. To be frank, the ISO on my DSLR is really high, and that is why this footage is going to be grainy for you, because it's dark over here. It's trying to adjust the intensity of brightness, so that's why it is looking a kind of distorted kind of thing. So now I'm going to switch on the ring light. The ring light is over here, so I'm going to switch it on. So this is how the light is. So this is how it looks. Right now my ISO is in the least level, and it looks pretty good. I feel it's very much lit, and I'm very happy about buying this light, guys. So this is the cool settings right now, and the intensity is also not to the max. So let me bring the intensity to the maximum now. Oh my god, it's really bright over here, and my eyes are hurting a bit because it's really bright over here. So I'm gonna reduce it. I think this intensity will be better. It's almost to the minimum, and this is the cool settings, as I already told you. So I'm going to change this into warm settings now. A bit of white with like cool plus warm. This is kind of that. Now this is warm setting. You can see a bit of difference, I am sure about that. So this is warm setting, and this is the warmest. So it also came with these two things. The ring light came with these two things. This is nothing but the mobile phone holder, and you have the clasp for that also. So yeah, so this is that. So what are we supposed to do here? I think you can attach this thing to the ring light itself by mount the mobile phone. But for DSLR, I don't think you have a provision to mount the DSLR. You have to have a separate tripod with DSLR so that your camera is safe. To be frank, there are no much space in between to mount the DSLR also, because the clasp is given at the side of the ring light, to be frank. So I attached the mobile phone holder, and it's actually movable. And also the ring light is also bendable, guys. Now I think we need to fix this somewhere over here. I think you can fix this thing over here, like, okay. everything should be up like this thing, and then put it in, tighten it. And then you have your mobile phone case over here, so you can have your mobile phone erect. So this is a bit, make it a loose, and you'll be able to clasp your mobile phone here. So yeah, this is how the setup looks like. My camera is behind the ring light, and we have the ring light over here. I just attached this mobile phone holder. If you are someone doing TikTok, you can use this mobile phone holder and do your TikTok videos. It's gonna be fun. So finally, this is the setup I'm going to use hereafter. And one more thing, guys, I did not share the prices of these, right? So the stand is from the store called Shopee, and the seller is also Shopee. This is how it looks. I will link the product down below, and it costed me rupees 749. It originally cost rupees 1700, that is 1700, but I got it for rupees 749. So coming to the ring light, this is the ring light I bought, and it is from the brand called Digitek. It's their 18-inch professional LED ring light. So yeah, this was originally for 4,995 rupees, and I bought it for rupees 3,748, which is according to me, this is a kind of decently built ring light when compared to the professional ring lights. The professional ring lights may cost about 10,000 and more, and it's really costly. But for us, if you are someone starting out for the first time and you're starting something, and you started getting some followers, then I think you have to start with this kind of light. It is also budget friendly when compared to the professional ring lights. And the best part is the build quality is very good, guys. I am using this ring light past 1 hour, and I did not feel the heat from the ring light. It's really nice. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you, and if you have bought this, I think this video would have helped you, like how to set it up. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and also if you haven't been following me on my Instagram page, do give me a follow. And I am also on TikTok. My TikTok profile is over here, so make sure you follow me, and see you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.